spider?
Yeah. Well, I have it set up for mine.
Oh, yeah.
It's the best jack I fucking ever bought.
That is sick. Like off-road wheels.
Well, it goes high, dude. It's like I can set it, like it sits perfectly under there. The bottom, we'll just use the gun on. Got some Bandit tender springs. This nice CF Moto over here. Beautiful. Rear tenders go on top of the main springs and brand new front main. Right here. Changed in the torque capacitor.
Yeah, we're giving it like 30 extra horse. Get some SC1 on it, another 5. Get a couple stickers too.
Are you gonna put stickers on that say it was started by North Dakota?
You guys got them? That'd be funny.
She totally gets this.
You should.
She looks beautiful.
Yep. Here we come, Baja 500. Just
the Berlin fucking 250.
just
1 3/4.
Just for it to sit in the trailer most of the summer.
You got street legal pit in this?
Technically, yeah.
This one has 2.
Yeah. I didn't.
You know what? All right, we're gonna put the spring shock in the compressor.
Keep explaining.
Tighten her up, bring her down a little bit so we can get her to clamp on. Gonna take this old spring off, give her a couple crankeroos. Jack Tech 3000. The Jack Tech 3000.
Pick it up at your local Walmart.
Yeah, no, you can pick it up on eBay. I wish we could pick them up at the local Walmart. Old one's off. Now we're gonna go adjust some preload. Got to break the lock ring.
Just loosen it, not literally break it.
Right here. Break it loose.
So we adjusted the
preload. 1 3/4. Got to make sure she says Bandit up top.
Yes, everybody knows.
Make horsepower.
She might have added about 50.
Whew. Just on the front 2 springs.
Cranking them down. So we can put this nice little cap back on.
What do they cap do?
Hold the spring on.
Now you're decompressing.
Decompressing, got to get it lined back up.
How many horsepower do you get?
About 50. About 50. This thing's gonna be zooming down the trails.
It's about a total.
Let's see how much this thing measures. Oh, just off the skid plate, like 9 3/4.
Are you doing tenders and?
Yep.
Tenders is it going on the back on top of the main springs. Bandit UTV.
The Bandit UTV springs. They don't have a part number.
We'll put a link in the description for you.
Yeah, I don't have a part number, but they were like 230, 250 bucks. No, front springs or tenders. Supposed to happens.
It's gonna happen on the way to lunch.
What, are we taking all our side-by-sides on lunch?
Yeah.
Dude, I need one of these.
They're on sale all the time. Am I gonna have to pick it up some?
I don't know. I could probably slide that
Slide it under the.
watch your little toes. Nope. Uh-oh, here we go. Oh, you fucking beast. All right.
I guess you didn't want to show your butt.
I can pick. These back ones are gonna be fun, Dave.
Yeah.
Hey, Damien, explain the
There's a way to take this off right here and get to them.
Damien, explain the difference between mainspring and tenders.
Mainsprings are what holds the weight. Tenders helps smoothing out the ride when the mainspring hits.
Explain what you're doing.
So pressing the spring on the rear. Oh yeah.
You have to take the mainspring off to do the.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain that you should be able to spring set? I'm just kidding. I'm saying what
It's a good setup.
There's not much selection out there.
But this is why we did the full kit, because it's like you're already doing all this work.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna go back to preload range. Go from there.
Nice, I wasn't even recording anyway.
He's adjusting.
Adjusting the preload.
Yeah.
What, 4
4 5/8.
Here. I don't know. It's complimentary of CF Moto. I don't know.
4 5/8. Back here. Bandit.
That's you try. I can't promise anything. Yeah. Plus size. You won't see the black tender really. I was obsessing. I was like, the different colors and I'm just gonna have them all powder coated, and I'm like, nah.
There's
I
that
didn't,
end.
I didn't like our silver on that, but it grew on me.
I think silver looks good.
No, on mine.
Yeah.
But no, like,
You think so?
it grew on me. But it was like tan, it was red, it was black, it was too much going on.
Hey, dude, that's the next thing on the list is full fluid changes on both machines.
They literally bought me.
Huh?
They literally bought everything. Yeah.
I don't have it.
Well, you should have planned ahead.
Yeah, I know.
I know someone that sells Amsoil.
I know. I was just gonna get it. I was gonna have them ship me a kit. Comes with diff fluid and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Damon?
Cranking it down to put the.
Compressing the spring so you can put the.
Oh, bro.
Let's go, girl.
Our channel's gonna be known for the scratch and for Did you see a video where I had put a big smiley face over it like last week?
Yeah.
And now she's all set, boys and ladies.
Another 10 horse.
Another 10 horsepower.
Now we're gonna do the other one.
Now we're gonna do the other side.
Coming in hot.
Oh, it looks like you need to put your tires up.
Measure the front now, but ladies and gentlemen.
Mike, Jamie, Mike.
We're gonna measure. We're at 14 in the front. The back was 9. Now we're at 12. The front we didn't measure before though. So I think it was right around 12 and a half before.
So we'll get it on the trails and I'll report back on these Bandit springs made a difference on the rut.